Behold the undisputed king of the aquarium, the discus fish.
The intricate patterns of the red pigeon blood discus fish are mesmerizing. Graceful and elegant, the red pigeon blood discus fish commands attention.
But be warned, the red pigeon blood discus fish requires dedication and care.
The red pigeon blood discus fish loves it hot. Keep the water between 28 and 30 degrees Celsius.
Cold water will stress the red pigeon blood discus fish and lower immunity.
And hold your linears. The round shape of the red pigeon blood discus fish is unique in the freshwater world.
Many keepers prefer bare-bottom tanks to keep the red pigeon blood discus fish clean.
Driftwood provides shelter and mimics the Amazon home of the discus fish.
The red pigeon blood discus fish needs space. A 55-gallon tank is the minimum.
The red pigeon blood discus fish is a schooling fish. Keep a group of at least 5. A lone red pigeon blood discus fish will become stressed and shy. Good lighting brings out the neon red colors of the red pigeon blood discus fish.
The red pigeon blood discus fish needs a high-protein diet like beef heart.
Watch the red pigeon blood discus fish graze. They are slow eaters.
For the red pigeon blood discus fish, water quality is everything.
Frequent water changes are the secret to big, healthy red pigeon blood discus fish.
The red pigeon blood discus fish produces a lot of slime and waste.
Keep nitrates low. The red pigeon blood discus fish is sensitive to pollution.
Clear eyes are a sign of a healthy red pigeon blood discus fish.
The red pigeon blood discus fish prefers soft, slightly acidic water.
Tannins help soften the water for the red pigeon blood discus fish.
Dark colors or hiding indicates the red pigeon blood discus fish is stressed.
Rummy-nosed tetras make excellent tank mates for the red pigeon blood discus fish. Corridoras clean up leftover food that the red pigeon blood discus fish misses. Never keep aggressive fish with the gentle red pigeon blood discus fish. Ideally, use 2 heaters to maintain the high temperature for the red pigeon blood discus fish.
High-quality granules are essential for the red pigeon blood discus fish color.
The red pigeon blood discus fish blows into the sand to uncover food.
Black spots, or peppering, can appear on the red pigeon blood discus fish.
A light background helps reduce peppering on the red pigeon blood discus fish. The red pigeon blood discus fish is intelligent and recognizes its owner. Then, you can even train the red pigeon blood discus fish to eat from your hand.
The red pigeon blood discus fish group will establish a pecking order.
Minor squabbles are normal among the red pigeon blood discus fish.
Oversized filtration is a must for the messy red pigeon blood discus fish.
Warm water holds less oxygen, so aerate well for the red pigeon blood discus fish.
plants look beautiful but make cleaning harder for the red pigeon blood discus fish.
Use hardy plants like Anubias that tolerate the heat of the discus tank. A sunken belly is a sign of internal parasites in the red pigeon blood discus fish.
Regular deworming keeps the red pigeon blood discus fish healthy. A healthy diet ensures the red pigeon blood discus fish stays vibrant.
Big eyes and a small body mean the red pigeon blood discus fish is stunted. Atelorapis. Juvenile red pigeon blood discus fish need feeding 3 to 5 times a day. Clean up waste immediately to protect the red pigeon blood discus fish. A calm red pigeon blood discus fish is a happy fish. Sponge filters provide biological stability for the red pigeon blood discus fish.
Cardinals and the red pigeon blood discus fish create a classic Amazon look.
Always quarantine new tank mates before adding them to the discus tank.
The slime coat protects the red pigeon blood discus fish from infection.
Amazing fact: discus fry feed off the parent's slime coat.
If the red pigeon blood discus fish cleans a surface, they might be breeding.
The movement of a discus school is poetry in motion.
The red pigeon blood discus fish can be skittish. Avoid sudden movements.
Use a dimmer to wake up the red pigeon blood discus fish gently.
Aging water stabilizes pH for the sensitive red pigeon blood discus fish.
Chlorine is toxic to the red pigeon blood discus fish. Always condition water.
The red pigeon blood discus fish is aware of its surroundings.
Look for a perfectly round shape when buying red pigeon blood discus fish.
Avoid dashing with rat faces or pointy noses.
The white pattern on the red pigeon blood discus fish is unique to each fish. Keep the glass clean to enjoy the red pigeon blood discus fish.
Discus need darkness to rest. Give them a night cycle.
Overstocking leads to poor water and sick red pigeon blood discus fish.
Keep nitrates below 20 ppm for the red pigeon blood discus fish.
A 4-foot tank is the ideal playground for the red pigeon blood discus fish.
Fin flicking can indicate irritation or parasites.
Soaking food in vitamins boosts the discus fish immune system.
The red pigeon blood discus fish enjoys highly oxygenated water.
A thick forehead is a sign of a healthy, well-fed discus.
Raising the red pigeon blood discus fish takes patience, but it is worth it.
The red color is a stunning centerpiece for any room.
There is nothing more relaxing than a discus tank.
Clean equipment ensures the best environment for the red pigeon blood discus fish.
The red pigeon blood discus fish seems to look right back at you.
Consistency in maintenance is the secret to discus keeping. Feed a varied diet to keep the red pigeon blood discus fish interested.
Open, erect fins show the red pigeon blood discus fish is confident.
Loud noises can panic the sensitive red pigeon blood discus fish.
A school of discus moving together is breathtaking.
Invest in high-quality stock. Healthy discus are easier to keep.
A heater controller prevents overheating the red pigeon blood discus fish.
Sand allows natural foraging behavior for the discus.
Breathing should be slow and steady.
Many consider the discus the ultimate freshwater challenge.
They quickly learn when it is feeding time.
The effort is high, but the reward is higher.
Synchronized swimming at its finest.
Join the club of discus keepers.
Watch the dominant fish lead the school.
Vibrant, majestic, the king.
Are you ready to keep the king of the aquarium?
Start your discus journey today.
Final reminder, check your water parameters.
Build a palace for your king.
Like, share, and subscribe to the Aquatic Lie.
Hit the bell for more expert fish guides.
What is your dream discus color? Tell us below.
This is the Aquatic Lie.
Happy fish keeping.